my name is Deepak Gurge. Today date is 14 February 2024, and today topic is constructed in a Java. So let's start the topic. First, consider is a method like a method, and constructor is a block of code similar to a method, and constructor is it is called when the uh, class is created. At the time of class is created, constructor is called constructor. The main purpose of constructor to initialize an object, and when we create an object, at the time the constructor is automatically called by compiler, and constructor is a special type of method used to initialize the object, and every time object is created using a new keyword, and at least one constructor is available in a Java program, Java code also. That name is a default constructor. If you don't create any default, if you not creating any constructor, the compiler will be automatically created default constructor. So if you want to create a constructor, you can create the constructor in the class name. There is a it is called a constructor because the constructor construct the value to the object, and it is not necessary to create a constructor because the compiler created constructor automatically if you don't if your class don't have any constructor, and constructor have some rules. If you create any constructor, it is some rules we can follow them. First one is if you create a constructor, the constructor name uh, or constructor name as a class name. It's must have a class name. And second rule is when constructor it has no explicit return type, method has a return type, but constructor don't have any return type, and constructor have and another is a constructor. Um, Constructor is not a final or abstract or static because constructor has has it can't inherit it in a property of another. It will be called using the super keyword call in another constructor, and call the another constructor using super keyword. You can call the constructor uh, another constructor to another constructor, and another is the this keyword. This keyword is also used initialize the current object or class of variable. We cannot use both super keyword or both and this keyword in a constructor. Only one of them you can use at a time because the this keyword and super keyword has a first statement in a constructor, and so the constructor has a two types. First one is a no argument constructor, and second one is a parameterized constructor. Uh, the constructor is it is called a default constructor, which has no parameters. So it called a default constructor, and also default constructor is created uh, user created manually also, and also automatically created in Java. And another is a parameter consider. In parameter consider, it has some different type of value, specific value passed to the parameters, and default consider what is the main purpose of default consider is that to default consider initialize the value of object like the null value zero. It's depend on the type of type. It depends on the type. Which type we have to use. Like an integer, it has a default value 0. So default constructor constructor automatically assign the value. If you don't initialize any value, so constructor default constructor automatically assign the value if the depend on the data types. So that's all about that. There is a two-way. So thank you all. Thank you so much.